So we start off today's video with someone who has mid-back length hair. The stylist chops that hair right off into a layered shoulder length bob haircut. Now she does have the curtain bangs here, very popular hair trend that we're seeing in 2024. Very cute hairstyle. And then we move over to someone who has a bob. And it looks like she wants to go shorter. Oh, so she actually ends up getting like this 90s inspired bowl shaped pixie. So cute. And that's a style that is definitely going to add a lot of volume to the hair. So here we have someone with long waist length hair. The hair is sectioned off and then cut. Looks like she's going really short here, getting a pixie. Very nice. So she got a classic pixie with the bangs. Such a cute style. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.